Stay at home and be rich. Trick you must know to raise your financial about how to make money online from internet. Someone often asks how to make money. But now there are many ways to make money from the internet. So far, people have always thought about how to make money just from working in an office. This thinking is no longer valid in the internet era. By utilizing the internet, making money can be in any way and anywhere. The reason, currently there are a number of jobs that can be done online. This is also supported by the increasing number of internet users. So, how do you make money from the internet? Many people do a search on the Google search engine related to how to make money from the internet and how to make money from the internet. This means that people have understood that the internet is not only used as a medium of entertainment but can also be used for productive things. Here are some ways to make money from the internet, namely: 1. How to make money through YouTube. The last few years being a content creator on YouTube is used by Indonesian people to make money from the internet. This way of making money from the internet does look easy because you only need to make video content as interesting as possible. In fact, to be able to monetize YouTube videos is not easy. YouTubers who are currently booming need years and consistency of uploading videos to be able to gather as many viewers as they are today. Therefore, make sure that the uploaded video always includes keywords in the video title, video description and video tags that are relevant to the content. The highest income YouTuber in the world in 2021 will reach $54 million. 2. How to make money by selling online. Other ways to make money from the internet, by selling online on e-commerce, social media, to messaging applications. There are several applications that can be used as online selling platforms, such as Shopee, Facebook Marketplace, to WhatsApp Business. By utilizing this platform, one can sell without meeting the buyer face-to-face, which saves the cost of renting a shop. 3. How to make money by becoming a dropshipper or reseller. One can use this method of making money from the internet if you don't have a product to sell. The reason is, by becoming a dropshipper or reseller, one only needs to sell a product to a buyer, where the product is taken from the supplier. So someone buys goods from a third party for direct delivery to the customer. Some e-commerce platforms even provide dropship features in their applications. 4. How to make money by becoming an affiliate marketer. How to make money from the internet is mostly done by online business people abroad and at home. Affiliate marketers are people who market other people's products to get a commission from each product that is successfully sold. The amount of commission you get depends on the rules of the product owner. The goods that can be sold by affiliate marketers are very diverse, both physical and digital. Affiliate marketers are different from dropshippers and resellers, because affiliate marketers are tasked with attracting consumers to buy products through a special link that contains the identity of the affiliate marketer. From the total product purchases using the link, the affiliate marketer commission is earned. 5. How to make money by becoming an influencer. This way of making money from the internet is quite booming in recent years along with the increase in social media users. Influencers are people who can influence other people's decisions to buy certain products by convincing consumers through their personal testimonials regarding the product. However, to become an influencer is not easy because one must have hundreds of thousands to millions of followers on social media. The reason is, the more followers who have the potential to see their reviews, the more expensive marketing costs will be received. Thus, 5 ways to make money from the internet that can be used as a reference for starting a business. If the way to make money from the internet above is not satisfactory, there are many articles that discuss this topic on the internet.